Okay, check this out. This is the current DesignCourse homepage, and right here, right down there, this little chat icon, the live chat feature powered by livechat.com, this thing is costing me a lot of money. So I decided yesterday I'm putting an end to this. We're gonna use Claude Opus 4.5 to create our own live chat or custom live chat integration. So this video, I'm gonna show you kind of how I structured the initial prompt, how much it cost me, and also show you what the new live chat solution looks like. So right here, yeah, this is how much I paid back in 2022. I'm on an annual plan. Every month for $5 I have to pay for the privilege of using Google Analytics, which sucks. But every year, $4.92. They increased it by $100, or I'm not sure if maybe I had too much traffic or what. But since then, every year, $4.92, $4.92. And coming up within like 10 days, it's gonna be another $4.92, except I'm gonna be canceling. I created my own. And I actually did the math. It is $2,092 I've paid so far in 4 years just for having live chat. Now, I'm gonna show you what the starting prompt looks like. And I did this in Figma real quickly. And you can see it's pretty elaborate. I'm not gonna read through it. You can pause if you want. But the idea here is just to be as elaborate as possible so that you can think of every potential feature, every potential use case, any potential security issues and vulnerabilities. And then what I did is just paste this into Cursor with Claude Opus 4.5 and in plan mode. So it creates a plan and it eventually just creates it. And it actually did a good job. You're not going to one-shot something that is this complex, even with Opus 4.5. So the whole process took about 4 hours. 4 hours isn't bad for saving yourself that much money. I'll show you how much this cost with Cursor credits at the end of the day, by the way, at the end of the video. And so now I'm gonna show you what the actual live chat looks like in the new design course. So as you can see, this is my dashboard. This is all fake data, by the way, but right here is the new live chat panel. I decided I want it to be worked in with my admin panel that I use to manage DesignCourse, which is pretty freaking awesome. And as you can see here, live chat's connected. We can turn AFK mode. There's 0 people on the front end of the website and 0 people on the app, which is like the membership area. Online users is 0. Let's go ahead and give this a test. And here it is. So let me end that session real quickly. You can see it kind of just gives a fake name if you're not logged in. So if a student's logged in, it's gonna show their actual name, which is a really cool integration you wouldn't get with otherwise with livechat.com at least. And I can initiate chats from here, or the user, of course, can initiate chats over here. Now, what's really cool is it is AI powered. So if I ask a question, for instance, like what is your refund policy? It uses Gemini 3 Flash, so it gives a fast answer. We offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. And where does that come from? Well, I had it work in a settings area specifically for live chat. So if I come down here, we can see all these facts right here. What is your refund policy? Do I have lifetime access? All this stuff, I'm gonna be adding a lot more, by the way. So this is fed in as what's called a system prompt into the context of Gemini 3. And if it doesn't know the answer, it will just forward it over to me and I can answer here in the dashboard. So if I come back here, we could see one unread chat. So I could see right here that the AI bot has responded. And what's cool is I can turn off the AI assistance by clicking this button. And now I can just engage, hey, what's up? In a conversation with the user instantly. Not much, man. And it all just works. And I've tested it as much as I could. Very shortly, I will push this to a staging server. And now a staging server is what's live on your server environment, but it's not actually live at like DesignCourse.com. It might be a different subdomain where you can test this in a more live environment outside of production. And trust me, there will be things that will have to be fixed there as well. But essentially, I have negated the necessity of having to pay near $500 every year for the privilege of having just a live chat feature, and I knocked it out in 4 hours. So how much did it actually cost me to do this? Well, let's check it out. Here's my Cursor usage right here. And as you can see, yeah, I've been using a lot because I'm refactoring DesignCourse for the new upcoming launch. But right here is yesterday, January 11th, and you can see that It cost me $88, and that's all I worked on, by the way. I didn't work on anything else. So $88 with 4 hours worth of work. I mean, this would have cost, back in the day before generative, AI and coding AI assistants, it would have cost a skilled developer would charge like $5,000 to $10,000 for something crazy like this. And I'm just so excited because there's other areas, there's other SaaSes that are commonly used by websites in which we can just kill the SaaS provider. Thinking off the top of my head, if I go back to my admin area, the newsletter. This actually has integration with kit.com, formerly ConvertKit. And what I am going to be doing here is, in the future, I'm going to use Amazon SES, simple email service, and we're going to just create our own, and I'm going to negate this large, 3-figure bill that I have every month for ConvertKit. So that is all. I just wanted to share that today. It was exciting for me because, this is the proof that SaaSes are kind of on their way out. In order for a SaaS to survive in the post-AI world, especially here within the next 2, 3, 4, 5 years, they're going to have to be so fantastic on every level that people aren't going to even want to try to replicate their own. So anyhow, hopefully you enjoyed that. I'm going to be producing a lot more content, especially once DesignCourse 2.0 releases here within the next 2 to 3 weeks. So stick with me, subscribe. I will see you all very soon, and goodbye.